I'm Logan.
And my name's Chayton, aka Mr. Stouts.
And today we're going to show you how to find the determinant.
As you can see here, this is a simple 2x2 matrix. And you have A, B, C, D as your numbers or letters, if you want to call it. What you're going to do is take the first letter here, multiply by the last letter, and then take your second letter by the third letter. And then you're going to take A times D, and then subtract that. And you're going to take A times D, and then subtract B times C. And that's your determinant.
And here's an example problem. As you can see, 1 times 4 is where you get here. 2 times 3, put here. And then you just subtract. And that'll give you 4, because 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6, so 4 minus 6 equals -2. And that is your determinant.
And 3x3s are a little different. You have to do a little bit more work on these. So for a 3x3, you can have numbers. What you're going to do is you're going to take your first two columns right here. You're going to rewrite these right there. Take this one, and then take this one. This one's coming over here. And you have to rewrite those so you have more of a bigger selection of numbers.
Okay, and here's an example problem of what Chayton was just saying, the same concept. You're going to, after you rewrite the two columns here, you're going to take, and these diagonals here, you're going to take those and you're going to multiply those together. And then you're going to take these coming up this way, and you're going to multiply those together. And then you're going to, as the next one, then you're going to subtract the two, the blue, as you can see here, these diagonals from these diagonals, which will, the blue diagonals will multiply to give you 4, and the red diagonals will multiply to give you 3. And 4 minus 3
is obviously going to be 1, which is your determinant in this 3x3 matrix. And here's some practice problems for you guys to do. If you need any practice, or you see something you can do in your off time to work on this, you can do this. And so let's do number 1 together real fast. And so you have 5 times 2, and that's going to be 10. And then you have 3 times 8, and that's going to be 24. And so you're going to take 10 minus 24 and get -14 for that one. And that'll be your determinant for number 1.
Anybody have any questions of how we got that, where the numbers came from?
So determinants can be negative?
Determinants can be negative.
Okay.
They can be negative, positive, whatever. But you can only do determinants if you have a square matrix. If you don't have a square matrix, you can't do determinants. Number 2, does anybody want to try number 2? Anybody?
I'll come up and do it.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Aaron. Thank you for your assistance on this problem.
6 times 9, 54. 8 times 2, 16. Subtract them. Get 38. Right.
Thank you,
There you
Mr.
go.
Aaron, for your assistance on that problem. And like I said, 3x3 makes you to do a little bit more work. And so on number 3, what you're going to do is you're going to take your first one, which is you're going to copy it down.
Your first column.
First column, and the second column, and then your third column. And then you take these 2 columns right here and copy them back over here. So you got to take your 3, 6, and your 1, and then your 4, your 2, and your 9. You have to multiply up here. That's going to get you 18. Up here, that's going to get you, let's see. Oh yeah. You know what to do? You guys still awake back there?
45 times 3, I don't know what that is.
135.
Woo! You're staying awake.
Snapper.
Hey, technical difficulties going on here. Looks like Mr. Weston fell asleep at the computer. Oh, that will be fine. And then we have here 8, 6, and 4. Anybody got to help with that one?
24 times 8, that'd be 192.
Woo! He's awake today.
So we have a very, very doable audience.
You guys love math, don't you? And then you see we're going to go down now. Logan's got it.
4 times 5.
See what you can do with it.
Alright.
It's 20. $46.
46. Thank you. Thank you.
It's like you missed a roll, Logan. You got to go with 3, 2, 8.
48.
There, son.
48.
It's only 6 times 8. You can't do that yourself. You can't be teaching. You can't do
That last row was 486, right? So 9 times 6 times 9. 486.
Mr. Lake, I have to interrupt you, but
Come on, kid.
Good call there. Good call.
Add these and subtract these. So 18.
Anybody tell us what these added together equal? Go ahead, Tom.
Is that, you're talking about 18 plus 35?
18 plus 135 plus 192.
192.
May need some help from AA Ron.
What's the question?
What is 18 plus 135 plus 190?
18 plus 135 plus 192. Well, 192 and 18 is 210. 210 and 135 is 345.
345. Very good.
45. Correct shin. And then you're going to take these numbers and subtract them.
48. What is 48 and 20?
So you got 4, is that 40? That's 68, 68 and 486. That is 550, 554. 68, 554. So 554 minus 345. Could you write that down? 554 minus 345. And it looks like it's going to be 209.
That is correct. Anybody want to come up and do number 4?
Yo, I got this! Yo, I got this! Give me the marker!
Bunches.
Yeah! Alright, you said recopy!
Here, let's erase.
Let's recopy! I got a copy of 539! 539, all my homies at the 539. Then we got the 312 coming after you. Alright, we got 5 times 1 times 4. That's 20. We got 21 times 9. Well, that's going to be 189.
Duh.
We got 1 times 3 times 2. Well, that's 6. Going to add these together. You're going to get the 2, 1, 5. That's 215. All right, now we're going to multiply up. We're going to go with 9. And we got 14 times 5. That's 70. Yeah. We got 4 times 9. That's 36. 45 and 70. 115. And we're going to subtract, and we get 100. Oh, I got 100! I got 100!
No way.
I think you're going to go with 99 on that one.
99.
Your grade's a 99, but the determinant is 100.
Oh, man, you're messing with me.
Gotcha!
Alright, and as you can see, go to the next one, Weston. As you can see, the answers here reflect what problems that we just did.
Negative 14, 38, 209, and as AA Ron said, 100.
Yeah.
So
And now, here's a little added thing here.
for you guys who don't really like doing a lot of work with your hands, you like shooting the shortcuts, Logan here is going to show you how you're going to do it with the calculator.
You might think, well, there's got to be an easier way that we can do this problem and not have to do as much work, because I know some of y'all don't like to do as much work.
Like me, I don't like doing work. Neither does he,
I'm
so
with you there.
I'm showing you his.
Okay, so here's your TI-84 Plus calculator. Very simple. All you're going to do is push second, x to the -1, which also, if you look right above, says matrix. Then you're going to arrow over twice to the edit and push enter. And now for a 2x2 matrix, you're just going to do 2 by 2. And then you're going to plug your numbers in. Let's just go as very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so once you've entered your numbers into the matrices, all you do is you push second mode, then you go second matrix,
Just like you did first. Keep it back to
arrow
the
over
matrix.
to determinant, enter, second matrix again, and then enter, close your parenthesis, enter again. There's your determinant right there. Very simple.
And this way is most useful for if you're on maybe it's a college course, have to find a determinant, and you get 9 by 9 matrix. You're not going to want to go and do that by hand.
And it's going to take a very long time.
So your calculator here is going to help you save a lot of time and a lot of brain power doing it.
Alright, so now we're going to show you how to do a 3 by 3 matrix. You're going to hit second, exit -1. You're going to arrow over to edit, enter. Then you're going to enter 3, enter, 3, enter. Alright, this is, now you just plug your numbers in.
We'll just choose some random numbers here. We could go with 9, 4, 2, 7, 13 is a pretty good number here. -4, 2, 1, and 0 sounds good.
Alright, then you're going to do, again, just like before, second mode. Then you're going to go second matrix, cursor over to map, enter, second matrix again, enter, close your parenthesis, and there's your determinant.
-34, just like you said, determinants can be negative, but you have to have a square matrix to do them. And there you go. That's it. I'm Mr. Stouts, and that was Logan, and thank you for watching.
You know, yeah.
Hey, hey, bro.
Hey, Aaron.